Hey, so here we are at Pirateland Campground in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. This video is just going to be kind of riding around the campground, give you a little bit of what there is to see here. It's November of 2020, so it's getting a little bit cooler outside, but it's still pretty pleasant. There's not a lot of people here. We'll go out on the beach. I did another video that did kind of a walkthrough of our villa, so I'll attach a link on this video for anyone who's interested in going and taking a look at that. There's not another one on YouTube, I don't believe, so I'll give you a little bit of a walkthrough of the villas here at Pirateland Campground in Myrtle Beach. So yeah, so enjoy the ride. This whole thing will be shot on a golf cart, which I rented from here. Very easily affordable. They don't price gouge. They're not picky on the rules. They let you ride up until 11 p.m. so it's really nice. So everyone enjoy. Thank you for watching. Ha ha ha.